Okay, students, now let's start with binary to hexadecimal. You all know that binary has the base of 2 and hexadecimal has the base of 16. Now, in hexadecimal, if you all remember that any number that is above 9, that means from 10 to 15, they are written as alphabets. Like here, we can say that 10 is equal to A, 11 is equal to B, 12 is equal to C, 13 is equal to D, 14 is equal to E, and 15 is equal to F. So 0 to 9 they are written normally like that only, but if any number is above 9 then they are written in alphabets in hexadecimal. Okay, so now let's start with binary to hexadecimal conversion. Let's take one binary number. Okay, we are taking a binary number. Now we need to convert it into hexadecimal. Like in octal, what we were doing, we were making groups of 3. Now in hexadecimal, we are going to make groups of 4 from right hand side. Fine. So what we'll do from right hand side, we'll make groups of 4. So 4 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have made groups of 4. Okay, now please see what we are going to write above it. In octal we were writing 1 to 4. Here we will write 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, above each group 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, now next step, I hope you all remember, we are going to strike off all the zeros from all the groups. Along with the number, see, I am striking it off so that there is no confusion when we are adding the remaining numbers. Fine. So now please see what we are going to do. We have striked off all the zeros. Now starting from this group. In this group, we have only two numbers left, 2 and 1. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we'll write 3. Fine. Over here it is 8 and 4 in the second group. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So we'll write 12. Now here in this group we have only 8 and 1 left. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write 9. Now please see how the answer will be. Now here the answer will not be 9, 1, 2, 3. No, it is 12. So please see 12. 12 is C. So the answer will be 9, C and 3 to the base of 16. So we have the answer as 9C. 12 is C. So it will be replaced over here in final answer. 9C 3 to the base of 16.